I've received thousands of messages from all of you because you all want standing, slim waist exercises to get a flat belly to reduce your belly fat, be it your upper belly fat, your lower belly or your side belly. Love handles. 5 minutes is all I want from you in a day to be able to achieve that very desired result. You can do these anytime, anywhere. They are so easy and effective that you're bound to see results. No matter if you are XL, double XL, triple XL, even up to 8XL. Yes, you heard that right. I do have clients whose weight and the size they wear of clothes is up to 8XL. They also do these same exercises to achieve the desired slim waist. The best part about these exercises is that they are completely beginner friendly and so easy, so handy to give you the best results. Whether you're a male or a female, any size, any age, you can do these exercises. The best part about these exercises is that when you're a plus size, it's very difficult to be able to sit on the floor and do these exercises. So I'm going to teach you just standing how you can achieve a slim waist and a flat belly. And the best part about these exercises, they also secure your knees and your back. Often with the help of torturous exercises, you end up straining your knees, your back, and then you just get demotivated from exercising or staying persistent every single day. But these are simple and easy exercises which you can do in the comfort of your own home just standing, and you need nothing, no support, no equipment needed. The best part about these exercises is that you can do it along with me just 5 minutes a day. Now come on, all of you who are watching this video, comment below and tell me how many times a week do you exercise? 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, or all 7 days of the week? Just write the number that you practice or do you exercise how many days a week. And with this, let's now fill each other's heart with motivation and lots of love, because this is what we need to build a community together, to be able to support each other, to be able to get the desired results together. Yes, together we can and together we will. Now let's begin the super easy exercises. Before we begin these exercises, let me teach you an easy warm-up which you have to do just before starting the exercise. Yes, there are no excuses and no waiting. Let's get on with the business. The next exercise is high knees like this. Targeting your lower belly fat. And your upper belly, your midsection. It's a super easy and super effective exercise. Well done. Come on, all of you. Don't stop just yet. I'm loving it. I can feel the burn all along my belly area. Don't stop now. Now for the next exercise is a very simple and easy toe touches like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Try and lift your toes as high as you can, up to your knee level at least. It's a super fun, super easy exercise. No giving up, no excuses. We gotta keep going till we complete the 1 minute time span. 1 minute is hardly anything. Yes, you can do it. I'm sure you can feel the burn all along your lower belly, your entire belly area. Don't stop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and well done. Wow, I can feel the burn just around this very area. I'm sure you can too. So much excitement in the air. We've already done 3 exercises. Now come on, all of you, first comment below and tell me which one has been your favorite exercise. Number 1, number 2 or number 3. Let me get on with the number 4 exercise and show it to you too. So let's begin with a super and easy exercise. Put your hands behind your head and let's go up. High knees. Super easy and super fun. Just don't stop and keep doing the exercise. If you think you can't do it fast, then do it slowly, but don't stop. Come on, all of you, lift your knees higher. How's the burn along your side belly area? Just 5 more seconds to go. Well done! I'm saving the best for the last, and I know you keep saying you can't do it again, but yes, you have to. There will be no excuses. Let's do this together. First, we're going to do it with one leg and then the other leg. Lower belly and your side belly. Exhale when you're taking the leg up. Do one side for 30 seconds and now the other side for the next 30 seconds. I'm sure you can feel the burn. Keep going, don't stop yet. Well done! Oh, I loved it. I loved the burn along this very area, which was the target area for these top 5 exercises, which you can do on a daily basis. No equipment needed, completely beginner friendly. Do it twice a day. And if you still don't feel the burn, you can do it as many times as you want. It's just 5 minutes. Now, if you're looking to join a paid weight loss customized program, which is tailor-made according to your needs, your preferences, and keeping your likes and your dislikes in mind, then you can join my weight loss program by clicking on the link given below. Here you will be provided a doctor, dietitian, and a health counselor to look after you and to take care that you achieve the desired weight loss transformation.